Good morning. Welcome to the Jim Ball Trades channel. I have about 5 minutes, so I just want to give you a quick update. I want to remind you about a couple things. We have a live stream tonight, so I'm not going to do a long video today. Live stream tonight, but I did want to warn you about a down move that I think is coming today. So get ready for it. I believe it's coming today. It's my bias. I always tell everybody I don't know anything, and I don't know the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but I think the waves are setting up for a down move, but it's going to be an up move, a fake move to the upside first. So let's take a peek at Bitcoin and Litecoin. Don't forget 9 o'clock tonight Eastern time. We have live stream. Okay, all right. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel, and go ahead and hit subscribe. I give daily Elliott Wave calls. I'm an Elliott Wave trader, and I just look at the Elliott Wave perspective of the market from the large time frame as well as the small time frame. I don't have time to go into the macro right now. Let's just look at this particular move right here. This is Litecoin right now. Let's look on the 30-minute chart. So basically, we've had this move. We got one, two. I think this whole move is three, four, five. There's a little bit of a trick here to Litecoin, and so let me just explain the trick. We have hit this bottom right here is the 61.8% retracement of based on the price action of Litecoin. So if I said I wasn't going to go to the macro, but this green line right here, 61%, it's really a good landing point. It's a good place to get a strong bounce. So there's a possibility we get a bounce here soon. Okay, there's a possibility we get a bounce here soon, but I think um, the way the waves are shaped and looking and measuring, everything's kind of pointing down still. So this move right in here, this it's a bit tricky because we've got you got a little bit of a double bottom here, and so this to me looks like an A. Well, let me try it again. Looks like an A, a B, C. Then we've got an A, B, C, and we should be getting an A, B, C to the upside, and that would create basically a W, X, and a Y. Looking for a target of somewhere around 66.83 is what I'm looking for. 6607 to 6. Well, did I measure that right? Make sure I get it on the right place. There we go. Yeah, $66 to $67, and you can see how the $67 mark lines up with the top of this structure. So that's my target right here. I would watch out for that move right there. Okay, so watch out for that move. But then it's, and I imagine it's going to be one of these tall quick candles, so be careful with it because I think then we're heading down. That's my bias today. That's what I think we're doing. Where are we headed? I'm thinking about $59. I think we're going to be heading down to at least $59. So be careful. We could be heading down as low as $51. So in several waves. Okay, so we could be heading as low as about $51 to $50. The target's a little harder to see. Once I get a couple of waves here, I can make some projections. Okay, and we'll do that in the live stream tonight. Let's look at Bitcoin. Same deal here. Same deal, except we don't have the scary double bottom. I'll just leave that. Excuse me. Woo. There's my first yawn for the day. There we go. So you can see how this measured correctly. We got an A, B, C measured up to this corrective level there. Okay. And so the way I'm looking at this is same way. Well, there we go. We got A, B, C, then we've got an A, B, C, and now we're getting another A, B, C to the upside. Okay, I know there's a lot of jagged on the edge. So expecting a move to the upside right here, the structure zone right here, and then a move to the downside as well. What target am I looking for there? I'm looking for a target up here of about 9,700 to 9,750 in that ballpark. And then we're going to probably go down to, now it could go higher. I do have targets actually at a couple different structure zones here. So watch out for this structure zone right here and this structure zone here. So 9,900 and 10,000. Watch out for that. I don't think it's going to go that high, but you never know. But I think we're going to have a false push to the upside, and then we're heading down. I'm watching this red line down here, which would create our triple bottom here on this. Could be a descending triangle. See if I can show it to you. So you see this red line here. This looks like we're making a descending triangle. Potentially, we could come down here. I could see this as an A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. That would be kind of a perfect deal there. So that's a potential count, but I don't know that to be a fact. I don't have time to go into all the details. But we might be looking at something like this down move and then three waves to the upside to this trend line right here before we go down farther. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I don't have any extra time to show you why and how. Just want to prepare you for that possibility. So look out for a little bit of an up move, then down. We don't have to get that little bit of an up move. It could just tank, and it happens a lot of times right while I'm with my people at church. And so watch out for these next couple of hours. You guys have a fantastic day. See it at 9 o'clock Eastern time on the live stream tonight. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.